Merrill, Oregon. It's like some sort of a crane, a big crane on wheels. Southern Pacific, Oregon Division. I think I'm technically in Oregon, maybe California, somewhere in there. Smells like smoke here. Wood smoke. Yummy. Notice they got a derailleur there. These tracks obviously haven't been used in a while. Huh. I'm surprised I don't see any cabooses here. Saw some steam locomotives and a couple rail cars, but no sign of cabooses. Or cabooses. What? Man, look at the size of the hooks, man. Crane game. The doors aren't completely shut. The wonder what kind of animals live in there. Birds or something. Dang, looks like it's been vandalized a little bit. Glass broken and stuff. Windows broken. Kind of a pity. Huh, that window's like open. I can climb in there. It says slow. Notice if they're covered with dirt, but tracks are still intact. You could actually like go under there. Huh. Yeah, see, that window's open too. Then again, the doors are probably unlocked. Technically it didn't say keep off. Uh-oh. I'll get it. Let's see here. Let's see here if there's anything good. Industrial Works, Southern Pacific, Oregon Division. Cool. Oh, better pause the video.